Hi, welcome to the check-in series. My name is Courtney Riddell, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what value does a vanity website have to offer for my hotel? So the obvious answer is it can help drive revenue, but there is a lot more to it than that, and so I did want to break that down into a couple other benefits that you can derive from having an independent vanity website. So the first benefit of having a vanity website is visibility online, especially on the search engine result page. You're able to show up for a wider range of queries, especially more specific queries. As an example, somebody could search hotel in Boston, but they could also be searching for hotel in Boston with a pool, or hotel in Boston that is pet friendly. And this will allow you the access essentially to reach them online for those more specific queries. But it can also open up doors for paid search as well, so PPC and other ad space that you might not have been visible for before. Then you also have flexibility, so up top here. And in terms of flexibility, the website offers you a lot of space to really highlight what makes your property unique, and essentially a tool for differentiating yourself with the competition in the local area. You can utilize your space online to highlight features that make your property unique, highlight photos and things like that that you want your guests or potential guests to see to help sway them in the right direction. Not to mention, with flexibility, you also have the option of putting things like special offers on your page that are exclusive to your property website. And you can also talk about the local area and show yourself as an area expert by highlighting local attractions. The last one here is it also opens doors for partnerships. So it allows you to really leverage that online real estate to work with local businesses, local attractions, and work on how you guys can partner up together using some of that space as leverage. Now, the second last one over here is branding and credibility. The website can act as your virtual storefront and really help build a brand voice for your property, as well as kind of show off the culture surrounding your hotel. And with that, it also essentially shows a guest that you care about your online image, you care about their booking process and how they find information about you, which essentially instills a confidence in them that they will be well taken care of when they come to stay with you. Now, the last one down here is direct bookings. Your independent website is a tool for driving direct bookings, and really who else is going to do that for you, especially with the various online travel agencies out there. So that's why essentially a vanity website is there to back you up in that sense and help promote booking direct with the hotel for obvious financial reasons. All right, so over here we have some measurable benefits. So I'm going to get into a few kind of more numbers and measurable benefits to having a vanity website. The first one being engagement. The vanity website allows you to really improve engagement with your guests by highlighting those things that make your property unique, answering the questions that they need answered, providing them with the information they need. And this can all be tracked through things like Google Analytics, which we actually put on our Visly websites to track things like our engagement metrics. As an example, these are things like average time on page, so the average amount of time that a guest spends on your website. You can also look at page views and measure how your content is doing on each page and learn more about what your potential guests are interested in from that. And then you can also look at things like return visitors and the number of people that have actually looked at your site and returned to learn a little bit more because they know that they can find the responses there. So it just really helps get somebody to spend a little bit of time with you, learn about you, and keep you top of mind. Now the one over here is micro conversions, and these are very important for all businesses. Everybody has different types of micro conversions, but they're essentially great for helping get a guest one step closer to a booking. So these can be things like a download of a PDF on your website, or joining your mailing list on your website, or even submitting an RFP for a meetings and events sort of proposal. So that's a great way to utilize a website to help drive some of those conversions. And the last one down here is ancillary revenue. The website is a great tool for highlighting what makes your property unique and highlighting the different features that you have. And these can be things like highlighting your spa, your food and beverage on property, meetings and event space. All of that is a great way of actually improving revenue from those other streams. Your website will be great at driving revenue for rooms, but it can also be used for driving revenue to those other areas of your hotel and essentially improving the amount spent during their stay. So don't forget about that. All right, well, that's about all I have for today, but thanks so much, and I hope you join us for our next video in the check-in series.